Welcome back to Bullion Exchanges, your trusted source for precious metals. Today, we're taking a closer look at some of the most sought-after 100 ounces silver bars in the market. Let's dive in. First up, we have the 100 ounces Bache Silver Bar. This vintage silver bar, produced by Bosch & Company, a renowned commodities brokerage firm, is composed of 0.999 fine silver. It's a fantastic choice for investors seeking to add a substantial amount of silver to their portfolio in one go. This bar is a secondary market product, meaning it may exhibit scratches and toning, adding a unique character to each piece. The front of the bar proudly displays the Bosch logo, along with the weight and purity, while the back is left intentionally blank. This bar is a tangible asset that is extremely liquid and easy to store, making it an excellent choice for both new and seasoned investors. Now let's move on to the next product. Next, we have the 100 ounces silver bar from the world-renowned Royal Canadian Mint, known for producing some of the best products in the precious metals industry. The Royal Canadian Mint began as a branch of the Royal British Mint in 1908. Today they strike their own Canadian currency, commemorative coins and bars made with gold and silver. The obverse of this bar shows off the Royal Canadian Mint's logo right at the very top. Other inscriptions include the weight, purity, and an individualized serial number. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio, hedge against inflation, or own a piece of history, the 100 ounces Royal Canadian Mint Silver Bar is a solid choice. Next, this bar is a product of Jackson Precious Metals, a well-respected name in the precious metals industry. Each of these bars is composed of 0.999 fine silver with a weight of 100 troy ounces. Jackson Precious Metals, or JPM, was a private mint that operated in the United States. They were known for their high-quality silver products, including silver bars and rounds. Although they are no longer in operation, their products are still highly sought after by investors and collectors alike due to their reputation for quality and purity. Next, we have the 100 ounces Engelhard Old Hand Poured Silver Bar. This bar is a product of Engelhard, one of the most iconic and prestigious names in silver bullion. Each of these bars is composed of 0.999 fine silver with a weight of 100 troy ounces. Also, we have the Engelhard Silver Vintage Bar. This particular bar is from the 6th series and features a unique waffle pattern on the back, adding an extra layer of texture and interest. These bars are usually highly collectible, and investors treasure Engelhard bars because of the company's unparalleled reputation, as well as the fact that they accurately stamp their products with weight and purity. These hand-poured silver bars are great vintage bars that are no longer in production, but are still extremely desirable due to their popularity with investors and rich history. Next, we have the 100 ounces PAMP Suisse Silver Cast Bar. This bar is a product of PAMP Suisse, one of the world's leading independent precious metals refiners. Each of these bars is composed of 0.999 fine silver with a weight of 100 troy ounces. Since the 1970s, PAMP Suisse has expanded to become one of the world's most renowned mints and is adored for its incredible craftsmanship and superior proficiency. The front design of the silver bar depicts the logo of the refinery on the top. The obverse of this bar is stamped with its details: purity and weight of 100 troy ounces of 999 plus pure silver, and brand Engelhard. Each bar has a unique serial number, adding an extra layer of security and authenticity. Finally, we have the 100 ounces Emirates Gold Silver Cast Bar. This bar is a product of Emirates Gold, a leading bullion producer for over 25 years, known for striking secure, high-quality bars. Each of these bars is composed of 0.999 fine silver, with a weight of 100 troy ounces. The company only produced a few kilos of gold per week when it was first founded. However, Emirates Gold is now one of the region's most respected and prestigious manufacturers. The front of this bar features the Emirates Gold logo and inscriptions including the weight and purity. This bar is a tangible asset that is extremely liquid and easy to store, making it an excellent choice for both new and seasoned investors. Each of these bars offers a fantastic way to add a substantial amount of silver to your portfolio. If you're interested in any of these bars, Visit Bullion Exchanges, your trusted precious metals dealer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting unboxings and precious metals insights. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these bars. Do you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments below.